watching Ask Profit, a show that gets all your stock-related queries answered. For viewers who are just tuning in, you can either call us or WhatsApp us on the numbers that will be flashing on your screen right now. All right, with that, let's also welcome in Ravi Singh, Senior VP at Retail Research, Religare Broking, joining us now. Ravi, hi, a very good afternoon to you. I'll take up the next question. The next question is from Praveen, who's writing in from, we don't have the place, but okay, his question is on Endurance Technology. And he's asking as to whether he can buy Endurance at the current levels or not. Ravi, what is your view with respect to where charts are concerned for Endurance Tech?
Ma'am, if you talk about Endurance, then I can say that there is a very strong support around 2620 to 2580 levels, and now the next target would be the 2750 to 2780 levels. So I can say that if the new investor want to buy, then there is an opportunity to achieve some target. So I can say that buy at current market price with the stop loss of 2620 with the target of 2750 to 2780 levels.
Okay. All right. Kishore Kambampati, who's writing in from Hyderabad, is asking about CG Power, which he's bought at levels of 596 during March this year. He's looking for a view for the next 18 to 36 months. Should he buy an average at this point? And if so, is this the right level to do so? What's the view if you have coverage, Samir?
Sorry, this one we don't have active coverage.
Fair point.
It's in the company, but I don't want to comment on this.
No, that's fine. Because he's sought both technical and fundamental. At least I can give him one of the two. Ravi, what's the view on CG Power?
Alexei, CG Power is more volatile stock, right? So there is a volatility around 590 to 750 levels. So I can say that just wait and watch and hold your position with the target of 780 to 850 levels and put the stop loss around 650. So if you talk about a power industry, then I can say that there is another opportunity in Tata Power also and Power Grid also. So just hold and wait for some time.
Okay, all right. I'm not sure if we're going to have a view on this, but I'm still going to take the call.
Alvar Rajasthan, his query is regarding transformers and rectifiers, and he's holding 1,500 odd shares. Bought at 487 a piece, sitting on profits of roughly 1,000 odd rupees right now. Wants to know if he can continue to hold it for the next 6 months to see some more profits on his cards. Ravi, what would you suggest? What's the chart indicating for transformers and rectifiers India?
Ma'am, chart is consolidating and creating a bull run in next couple of weeks. So I can say that just hold your stock with the stop loss of 475 and target would be the 522 immediate target. And stock is looking very promising, so just hold it.
Okay. All right. By the way, okay, let's take one more question, and we've got Shivakumar calling in from Bengaluru. Shivakumar, very good morning to you. How can we? Next question, we've got Paytm that we're talking about next, and in fact, this is a question from Manoj, who's writing in from Hyderabad. He has bought at levels of 1,001 rupees per share, which is just about 100 rupees or so higher than the current market price, and he's looking at whether he should hold or sell at this juncture. Ravi, it's had a very good up move. The question is, what do you do if you've not made money in this up move, if you've lost a little ground? And on the charts, what are the levels to watch out for? Where would you put your stop loss, for example?
Alexei, trend is your friend, but unfortunately, Paytm friend is not a trend. You can say that the bull trend. So there is a strong resistance around 920 to 950 levels, and next target would be the 820 levels. So I can say that use Paytm, but don't buy a stock. You are in loss, but I can say that take exit from the current level, and you have the next two opportunity. A lot of opportunity you can buy at Power Grid or Tata Power or by Bank of Baroda. So a lot of opportunity is there, and you can recover your loss, all these stocks. But Paytm, I think just take exit.
Okay, sell Paytm is the view coming in where charts are concerned. Our next caller, Dheeraj, is calling in from Hyderabad. Dheeraj, a very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
A decent up move. It is up close to 3% in trade today as well. The next question is on Motilal Oswal Financial Services. It's a question from Shikha Gupta, who's writing in from Bengaluru. And she's wondering whether to buy it. And I'm assuming that she's got a short-term time frame. Ravi, on the charts, what are the prospects for Moti?
I think the next target would be the 950 to 980 level. So a lot of volatility at this level because it is still trading at a strong resistance around 900. So if you want to buy, then wait for some time. Once it's trading around 850 or 830 levels, then look attractive, and risk reward ratio will also good. So I can say that put the stop loss of 820, buy once it correct. But otherwise, the next target would be the 950 levels only.
Okay, so that's the view with regards to where Motilal Oswal stands. Our next caller, Suresh, is calling in from Hyderabad. Suresh, hi, a very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
Very good morning. Is it right time to take an entry in Titan, as it is showing that cup and handle pattern breakout yesterday? And I'm looking for the short term for 1 month. Is it right time to take an entry for 200 points early?
Okay, got your question, Suresh. I'll take this up with Ravi again. Ravi, the stock has been gaining momentum since the time dealer checks are suggesting that Q1 jewelry sales have been on a higher note as compared to what the street was expecting. What do you suggest? Is this the right time to make an entry? Is there a further upside that's still being seen on Titan?
Sir is also said talk about a cup and handle pattern. So breakout has happened, but risk reward ratio is not up to the mark. So I can say that buy, but buy a little quantity, right? If you want to invest 100 rupees, then you put money only the 40 rupees at current market price, and put the stop loss of 3,500. Target would be the 39 to 4,000 rupees, but it will take time. So I can say that if you talk about the next 1 month, then it will take time, at least 3 months. So follow the with his stop loss and target.
So we've got an interesting question from Wilson, and Wilson's writing in from Mumbai. Samir, he's named a few stocks, one of which you've spoken about already. You've spoken about Indian hotels, etc. Calling us from Kerala. Alex, very good morning to you. How can we help you?
Hi, Alex. I have a query on Tejas Network. The buying price and everything is there in the chat.
Yes.
I want a long-term view.
Okay.
Whether their capex and the government's plans for indigenous production of telecom will it support their future growth? Is the market cap is a hurdle, or they are in future how they are going to perform?
Got it. I got your question, and congratulations on keeping your question as short as you have. But Samir, the most recent order win for Tejas Network is a shot in the arm, very large order at that. Would you hold on from these levels?
No active coverage. Can you ask Ravi to take this one, please?
Yes, of course I can. Ravi, Samir, I would actually invite you to come to studio and take my place. You're doing a great job. But Ravi, what's the view on Tejas Network?
Yeah, I think is looking promising. So the target would be the 950 to 980 level. So longer period, definitely it will hold, and stop loss is 670 for closing stop loss.
Gentlemen, the next part of the show is a rapid fire round. Both of you know what this is about. We'll throw as many questions at you over the course of 2 minutes. Do keep your answers as concise as possible. The first one is an Equitas Small Finance Bank, and Barvin from Tamil Nadu wants to know, he's bought at levels of 72.5. Should he hold for the short term? Ravi?
Put a stop loss of 64, target is 75.
Okay, the next one is DB Realty. Sushila from Bellary is writing in. She's holding at the rate of 556 and wants to know the targets on this counter. Ravi, once again to you.
I think just quit your position because it's not looking promising.
Okay, Ravi, 2 stocks to invest in for a period of 6 months to 8 months. 50 lakhs available. What would that be?
List is long, but BOB, Canara Bank, Tata Power, and Power Grid.
Okay.
Holding 1275 shares at 650 apiece. Wants to hold for the next 2 months. Ravi, should he continue to hold?
Yeah, definitely. There is a one idea you should avoid, but idea 4, you should continue your buying with the target of 650 to 700 levels.
Okay, all right. Idea 4 is not an idea you should avoid. Last and 2, bro. Bought in.
Okay, Ola Electric is the next counter. Pankaj is asking if this is the right time to exit or wait for a better point to exit the counter. Ravi?
Yeah, better to buy.
Buy, okay, buy, okay.
Better to buy, he said, so sell.
Better to buy, okay.
Yes.
Samir, okay, so it's a sell. Okay, yeah, that needs to be clarified. Standard Glass, 166 rupees per share. Technical view for the long term is being sought. Ravi, what's the view?
Put the stop loss of 162 and target would be the 200 to 205 levels.
Okay, on that note, gentlemen, we're all in a Friday mood, and thanks so much for bringing a smile to our faces, and wish you a great weekend. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you very much, Alex and Nalina.
All right. Well, that brings us to the end of this edition of Ask Profit. We've tried to answer or get as many questions answered as possible. If we missed you out, well, I hope that you benefited from some of the stocks we discussed today. From Mahima and myself and the team that put this show together, happy Friday and happier weekend, and do stay tuned. Up next is KYC.